In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a buy X get Y discount in Shopify. To begin, sign in to your Shopify admin and open the discount section from the sidebar. Click Create Discount to start a new promotion. Then, when prompted to select a discount type, choose Buy X Get Y. This type of offer rewards customers with a free or discounted item once they meet the conditions you set. Under Method, select Discount Code. This means shoppers will need to enter a code at checkout to claim the offer, which gives you more control over where and how it's used. Type a clear, memorable name for your code, or click Generate to have Shopify create one automatically. A descriptive code, like one that hints at the offer or product, helps your team and customers understand it quickly. Next, configure the Customer Buy section. Decide whether the qualifying condition should be a minimum quantity of items or a minimum purchase amount. Enter the value that triggers the deal. Then specify where the condition applies by choosing specific products or specific collections. This keeps the promotion focused on the items you actually want to incentivize. For example, you might require buying 2 items from a particular collection, rather than from your entire catalog. Move to the Customer Get section to define the reward. Set the quantity of items customers will receive as part of the deal, and again choose whether those items come from specific products or specific collections. Finally, choose the discount for those items: percentage, amount off each, or free. Select free for classic buy one get one offers. Use percentage for flexible savings like 50% off the second item, or choose amount off each when you want a fixed currency deduction per eligible item. This choice determines how the value is applied at checkout. In the eligibility section, decide who can use the code: all customers, specific customers, or specific customer segments. Targeted eligibility is handy for VIP groups, email subscribers, or wholesale segments without exposing the offer to everyone. In maximum discount uses, set limits if you want to control how often the promotion can be redeemed. This is useful for limiting overall usage or keeping a campaign tightly managed during a launch. In active dates, set the start date and, if needed, an end date to automatically stop the offer. Double-check the timing to match your store's time zone and any marketing announcements. When everything looks good, click Save Discount. Your Buy X Get Y offer is now ready to use and aligned with your products, customers, and schedule.